Is it possible to enable system protection from the command prompt? I just tried to install some updates for my laptop, and now it is stuck in an automatic repair loop. From what I've been able to find so far in the logs, I believe it is some problem with the registry. The system restore tells me that there are multiple restore points available, including one it created just before attempting to install the updates. However, it tells me that I can't restore my C drive because you must enable system protection on this drive. Is there a way that I can enable system protection on my drive through the command prompt? Failing that, is there a way to restore just the registry, either manually or automatically? I've been able to open up Regedit, though I have no clue what part of the registry is corrupted. Update. Here's the only relevant thing the srtrail.txt log has to say about the issue. Update 2. Looks like this is a red herring. This just means that I can't boot from the network.
Update May 2022. Even though I wrote this for fixing an issue with Windows 8.1, others have found that it also works for more recent versions of Windows, up to Windows 11 so far. If you happen to be the first person to try this with a newer version of Windows, please comment on whether or not it worked. Looking at an article for Windows 7 about the same issue, I found a suggestion to use the following command. strui.exe/offline c/Windows equals active. strui.exe opens up the system restore window. I'm not sure what the argument means, but it made it so I could actually use the restore points. Yay! Unfortunately, this did not completely fix my problem. The system restore failed. The error message implied that it had something to do with the registry. So, using the command prompt, I went into c:/windows/system32/config and renamed 2 of the registry files. After doing this, I ran the system restore again using the same argument as I did the first time, and it worked. I was able to log back into my computer.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.